Any questions? Yes?
When do you know to switch to falsetto? Because if you have a good strong and it goes all the way up, well, you can switch to the falsetto. How do you choose?
Okay, as you guys would have, especially the guys going through the higher range here, you're going to feel that you're starting to strain and not sound great. As soon as you start to strain and not sound great, flip the falsetto. That's what I'll be saying. Though you can place it again, like when I'm singing, whoop, whoop, I'm putting it right in my, I think I'm putting it right to nearly the crown of my head. So I'm sounding like feminine, even though I've got quite a sort of a thick voice. So if you're not sounding great, you're sounding strained, and it's hurting your voice, flip the falsetto. But as I said, guys, I'm a baritone every day of the week, and I'm singing tenor songs here all the time. These plane trees are freaking killing me, but other than I'm singing tenor all the time. But with the proper technique, you can expand and stretch your range out.
It's sort of like moving gears up in a car, isn't it? But the falsetto is sort of like putting it from first to second, so you can get access to the higher notes.
It is, again, it's a little bit of a cheat, you know, like I said with Adele, we want to, Adele's using the chest voice for strength and power. It's you listen to Aretha Franklin, and when she sings those high notes, it just, first time I heard it sent shivers down my spine. I go, this girl's feeling good. And she's in power, she's powerful and moving, more so than going up and doing it in a weaker falsetto voice, which wouldn't have that type of effect. That's what it is. So you hear those big, strong singers like Adele doing that type of stuff, and you know, it's moving, it's great, it really is. It can be dangerous though. You know, Adele's developed nodules twice. And it's because she wears a corset, doesn't breathe properly, but you know, next time you see her, tell her to come and see me. But that's, guys, I'm here till 3:30 and there's a lot that I want to get through. Any questions? No, I'm going to give you Sandy. You did fantastic, Sandy. Please practice into the mirror. You've got great potential.